What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report on this 2017 Ford Mustang GT with the performance package. So it is a manual. Now, there is no body damage on this car anywhere, and I don't see any dings. The stuff I found was just really minor scuffs and little rock chips. So we're going to go through those and check them out. Now, starting with this front right wheel, absolutely perfect. Now, this car was washed and then parked in our showroom right away, so I did not get a chance to drive it. So you're gonna have that everyday little surface rust on that rotor. Once I drive it and get it going, it's gonna look nice and shiny like that. So ignore that. Got the nice Brembos there. No curb rash on any of the wheels whatsoever, and you got the blackout emblems that look good. Here on this fender, looks nice and clean. This paint looks really good. You got a rock chip right here on the side mirror. Walking down the side, then looking on this door edge, we have one chip right here on the very bottom. And we have a few small chips here. I mentioned no curb rash, but I do see a little paint chipping right there. Very minor, but I don't see any rash on the wheel itself. Quarter panel looks amazing. Upper side looks good. Roof looks amazing. And making our way to the front clip, you have some really minor curb rash on this splitter. Walking around it though, looks really good. So the only spot you're gonna see is a little bit here. Emblems are all blacked out. We do have a scratch right there, and you're gonna see a few rock chips every once in a while. All very minor. Couple here. Overall, that front end looks good. As far as performance goes, this car is bone stock. There are no aftermarket upgrades. Like I mentioned before, there are no aftermarket modifications done to the car. So this engine is bone stock, nice and clean. Looks really good in here. Then looking on the back bumper, you do have the blackout emblem here. We have a little gash right there. The rest of that bumper looks good. Quarter panel looks amazing. Zero curb rash on this wheel. On the door edge, we have a chip. And then on this door edge, you have a chip. Very minor fingernail scratches around there. Like I said, no dings anywhere. Got that blackout emblem. And there's no curb rash on this wheel. Very clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it still smells brand new. I love when I get in a car like this and it has that nice factory plastic smell. And you can tell this car was definitely babied. All of this looks amazing. Kick plate area looks perfect. This seat looks good. Now we have a little bit of wear on that lower section from the seat belt. Everything else though looks awesome. I don't see any other imperfections that stand out. The steering wheel's nice and clean. All the buttons look good. When you get the performance package, you get the gauges here. All of this looks really, really nice. Very clean. This door panel looks awesome. I don't see any flaws on it. This kick plate looks good. A couple small scuffs on the plastic. Now looking at these seats, I see a really small stain here. That bolster looks amazing. This one looks nice and clean. The only flaw I really see on this side of the car is on this glove box. You do have a scratch right there and a little one here. This side of the console looks perfect. Very clean. Looking back here, it is dark, so I apologize, but these seats look brand new.